Good morning. We're in Ketchikan. We just got here about 40 minutes ago. All the early tours are going to go. And I'm thinking I'm going to do a trolley ride. I've been here a few times, so just to do something. We're only here until noon. So I better get going. It's about 8 o'clock, so here we go, guys. See you in a minute. Oh, if you can see me. There you go. I'll see you guys in a moment. Bye. Today's our last day at port. Well, Victoria tomorrow. I think we're there like from 8 p.m. until midnight. That's it. Maybe we'll see some fireworks. I doubt it. Tomorrow's 4th of July. So there's I see a sign down there. It says trolley, and I see a few trolleys lined up. I'm gonna go check it out. Look at how gorgeous this is today. I can't imagine a better day. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. How cool, huh? Alright, well, I'm gonna see if I can get a last minute tour over here. That trolley has my name on it, I think. It'll get me where I want to go. I had no plans here today. So I just wanted to see the city and do some sights, and that's this kind of port for me. And in September, I plan to do something with Cheryl.
Right. No, people, I'm not the city bus. And I know you can hear me out there. City bus, stand in the shed right there. Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh, can't even get off the dock today. Morning and welcome to Ketchikan. Where the heck's the rain, people? This is ridiculous. It's too hot today. I'm not sure why they keep getting out here. There's no salmon in the salmon ladder yet. It's not. The salmon ladder, when it gets salmon in it, is to ensure safe passage. Underneath, there's a giant rock. When the water goes down, if the salmon that don't get in the stupid thing, the salmon ladder, if they misjudge where they jump, there's cracks in the rocks. They get stuck in the cracks every year because the water's gone down, so we lose those eggs and that sperm. And then they'll jump and they'll misjudge and smash their head, and that'll kill them. But this creek still gets so full, you'll literally have to kick the fish out of your way. If you misjudge where you kick and you step on it, you're gonna get awful wet when you slime on down with the salmon. No! He's just going right down there, please. Out on the piling.
Oh, I got him flying.
There he goes.
How cool.
Hoser.
Tree. Yeah. Oh, eagles everywhere, guys. That's really cool. She can see. She finds that she just looks for the little white dots in a tree, and there they are. How cool, huh? All right. Take a look at these falls. They're pretty cool. I'm starting to enjoy this tour. Cool, beautiful waterfall. It goes beyond those trees up there. Wow, look how clear the water is. There's no fireworks today or tomorrow that we know of. We're hearing that there's a possibility, but this is our celebration day. Alright guys, I'm gonna get back on the trolley here in a minute. Here to see some more nature. Look at the old style outhouse. There's an eagle flying right there. Wow. There's another one. That's a juvenile. So the juveniles are 4 years or younger. It's a fun looking trolley, huh? Oh, it's just so festive. Okay, we got an eagle right there. Straight ahead. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Right there. It's just hanging out right there. How cool, huh? Yeah, pretty cool here. Yeah, so I think this tour is just what I was looking for. A little relaxing. Yesterday saw whales, today I see eagles. Unfortunately no bears, but we're having a good time. I am. It's so beautiful here. It just smells so good here. The fresh air and all the beautiful flowers, and wow. I'm so glad I came. All right. Okay. Now that's yummy. This is a really good deal. I mean, $12.99. This, I mean, that's crazy. That's what I meant by reasonable prices here. You get all the good stuff here. Look at these. Oh, those are cute. I like hats. Ooh, I like the... I don't care for the mesh as much as I like leather and soft. Like this one right here. There you go. It's nice. So if you want to have some pizza, I don't know if I'd come to Alaska for pizza, but they have the Alaskan Brewing Company beers available on tap. I think I found the spot that has the line around the block. This is the Alaska Fish House in Ketchikan. Might go check this out. The line's literally forever. And there's no seats available, but it sure is beautiful today. So yeah, they have burgers, but what I see over there is that fish and chips, fish tacos with salmon. Oh, yummy. This restaurant has a view of your ship. It's kind of neat. Alright. So I ordered the cod and chips and a cup of the salmon chowder. It just looks so yummy. Of course, they already have all my favorites, Tabasco. Alright, food just arrived. Oh my goodness. Alright, let me show you. It looks like there's some dill in this smoked salmon chowder. And then I got some cornbread that goes with this. And then the fish and chips. So, and then some coleslaw. And then some dipping sauce for the fish. Alright, so I'm going to give this a whirl. Let's see. So, I'm going to try the chowder first. Let's see. I'm going to try it without Tabasco first, but I love Tabasco in my chowder. Let's just try it. Oh, that's really good. I think by putting the dill in it, balance that smoke. Wow, it's really, really tasty. Right on. I let those oyster crackers need to soak up flavor. Let's try that cornbread. Let's see. Ooh, it smells good. Oh yeah, it smells. Let's see. Let's put it in a bag. Ooh, look at this. Can you see that? Here, I gotta put together photo. Oh, I see why they offered cornbread. I love how it's just different. I mean, I was expecting to buy some clam chowder, but then I saw they had salmon. This is a winner. Yeah. Wow. Okay, now I gotta try it with some Tabasco. Alright. So the vinegar in Tabasco, it just makes it delicious, in my opinion. Oh, that's good. It's awesome. The only issue I have here is that there's music, copyright music. Alright, so these fries are the kind that have like a coating on them. That's great quality. Alright, before I get a coffee strike, I've got to try this fish and chips. Now this is the cod. See if you can see that. It's not going to focus in, is it? Ah, bummer. Okay. Excellent. It's not like a traditional beer batter. It's a panko breading. Super crispy. Alright, let's give this slaw a try. I think it's more of a vinegar base. Oh, that's super refreshing. Wow, what a meal. That coleslaw is outstanding. Oh, I love it. It's got a little honey in it. Good stuff. Alright, I'm going to enjoy this meal. Maybe we'll find something sweet later. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Alright, I'll see you guys soon. Wow, it looks like I just got here in time. Look at the line way down there. That's crazy. Oh, hello. Thought I was recording earlier and I didn't have it open yet. So I just got back. I've had caught up on all my emails and I thought I'd show you guys. This was the window that was open. So the line is forever to get on the ship. It goes all the way down the pier. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll try. So I got plenty of time to go upstairs and see what's going on. I don't know. I haven't even looked at the planner for today. Ketchikan. I had to get up so early and go do things. That was a lot of fun, by the way. I saw a bald eagle, or lots of bald eagles, but I saw one nearby. I'm sure you guys got to see that earlier. So, yeah, and that was really kind of cool because we were looking for bears. So that place that we went to, and I never told you guys, that's famous for bears. And we didn't see any, so. Lots of bears here in Alaska. Lots of bears. So that's what we're doing. Alright, I'm going to probably go to a show, and if I do, maybe I can record a few seconds of it and throw it in here. If not, I'm going to throw in this karaoke bar scene at the very end of my videos today, so that you guys can see what that's like. There's some really amazing talent on this ship. I sat in on that last night. That was really cool. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Whew, what a day, guys. Man, I had a good day. The one thing I will say right now is that Carnival's so consistent. Yeah, it is. It just is. I had a great dinner. I had had the teriyaki salmon, and tonight's was so moist and delicious. Really kind of highlighted the being out in the seafood areas, the salmon all over us here in Alaska. So what we did today was a lot of fun. Yeah, it's about 10:30, and yeah, I thought I would just. Yeah, so I went to the comedy show. He was pretty funny. Dinner was excellent. And yeah, some of the things that I used to be able to film, you can't do it anymore. Unfortunately, there's a lot of, they're saying no. You know, for sure the comedian. But the shows, the general shows are fine. But like the... I'll insert the karaoke, like I said, but those are that's it, because everything else has got commercial music on it, and yeah. So anyway, the dancing in the dining room, that has commercial music in it. So a lot of those things you can't do for that reason. So sure, I can show you the dining experiences, but when I go by myself, it's harder to do that when I have table mates. So I'm not trying to make excuses why I don't record. You all know I do, but I just want you to know why. So you know, gee, that was kind of a weird ending of a video. You go from his excursion to going to bed, but no, but that's not the case. So, and tomorrow we're going to Victoria, and we get there at, I want to say 9 o'clock at night, and we leave at midnight. And it's because of the Jones Act, or you have to stop in a foreign country. So that's why I probably won't even get off the ship. It's one of those things. And tomorrow's the 4th of July. I'm hoping that I doubt it. We're in Canada, so we're probably not going to have any fireworks, but that would be really neat if we were able to see them. I doubt it, though. Yeah. Anyway, enough about that. I had a really good day. Tomorrow I'm going to get up early, and I am going to their new brunch that is at the steakhouse, and so I will talk about that tomorrow and explain how that process was and how amazing the food, or you know, maybe it wasn't, I don't know. It's always going to be good. Alright, I'll see you guys in the morning, and I'll leave you guys right now with that karaoke I was telling you about. See you then. Bye. What I had in mind, and don't turn the light.